Griffin, is that fun? Oh, I like it. He loves it.
That's hilarious.
Oh, is that fun?
He's walking.
Is that fun?
He wants to do it. He's walking.
He likes it.
He wanted to walk.
Hey, buddy, look at that.
Got the right leg down. How about the left leg?
He's leaning on that leg.
He's
Otherwise,
still-
I don't think he can
He's
reach.
doing this.
Left leg work, buddy?
He's tilted to the.
Yeah. Watch out, buddy.
Griffin, is that fun? You had one of these too, Brooks, and you loved it.
Yeah, I know that.
You remember that?
Yes. I always.
You know where it was? It was at Mai's house.
Oh, that was really eerie.
Oh, is that fun, Griffin?
Can you please? I want to help him. Kristen, are you ready? Hey, Kristen, why are you stopping me?
It's getting there.
It's his first time in it. He's got to learn.
Looks just checking it out, too.
I'm just helping him because he doesn't, because he has to.
Do you like that? You like that, Griffin? Be careful, if you spin him too much, he'll throw up.
What?
He'll get dizzy and throw up.
Here, buddy.
Here, let him push himself for a minute.
Brooks. Get your magazine. Come here.
But I'm gonna help him.
I'll go get the magazine with you.